Hello fans, welcome to Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up my YouTube channel, Mero True Life Story. God bless you. My lovely fans, May Edochie don finally shock us. May Edochie don shock us oh. Hey! Wonder they say shall never end. Una know say this period, Yo has been trying to play the good boy. The prodigal son, when he go sell his property, come back home and want the father to embrace him and say, oh, welcome back home, my son, for repenting. Exactly the same thing that Yo is looking for in the hand of May Edochie. After he don't do everything when he do finish, after the nyanga life when he don't live, Yo is expecting May Edochie to embrace him and say, oh, you finally realize your mistake. Come, my love, I love you. Let's come back together. That is Yo dream. If you don't know, that is his dream. So this period, we saw Yo going to interview behind cameras, crying and saying a lot of things so that people will pity him. And Yo, even in the interview, we all saw how he has been trying to talk good of the same woman he spoiled her name on the social media. Yo spoiled May Edochie name for this social media. Bola Warriors, they talk today, thanks to Yo and Jojo Ekwensu, the way they painted May Edochie. The same Yo now is trying to say, oh, May Edochie is a good woman, she's a good wife, I can't say anything evil about my ex-wife, she's the mother of my 3 children, saying all kind of things, all those things when they try to, just to draw the attention of May Edochie. Just to make May Edochie believe, oh, this man don't change. Prodigal son, he don't rechange. Because what people don't know is that behind cameras, behind closed door, this man is still pleading, begging May Edochie till tomorrow. It might be surprise to some people, say even till tomorrow, even till today, Yo is still begging behind closed door. So Yo has been trying to prove now to May Edochie that he's a repented soul, he have changed, he miss his family, everything when Yo they try to do. But remember, May Edochie is not a mumu woman like Jojo Ekwensu. May Edochie is not that woman that will sit down and tolerate nonsensibility. She is a very wise woman, very wise. And there is something I like about her. She's very calculative. Anybody wey dey very calculative, it's difficult for you to get them. Because before you dey talk, she don't calculate everything. She don't understand where you from dey come from. She don't already know that lies you want to say. May Edochie don't finally shock us. May Edochie don't shock us. With all these things going on, a lot of people have been saying their own. May Edochie should not go back to Yo. May Edochie should move on. Some people say she don't already move on self. Some people say like Yo will not be in her life. But the last decision is meant for May Edochie. We fit talk everything when we want to talk. But this woman, I get the right to take her last decision on this matter. And May Edochie don't finally shock us. According to May Edochie, that she should go and grant her own interview. May she go grant her own side. May she go talk her own side. It's our time you come out to talk. It's our time you come out to tell the world your own story. Because this thing where you dey cover up, it don't too much. Open them, expose them, tell the world who they are. They say May Edochie laugh. May Edochie laugh. May Edochie say, explain what exactly. Tell the world what exactly. What do you want her to tell the world? Explain to. May Edochie say, explain to the world about an adult man that took his decision. You made his decision. May Edochie said, an adult when you make your first mistake, it's acceptable. It is acceptable because nobody is perfect. But the second mistake, third mistake, fourth mistake, fifth mistake, and you call it a mistake. It is not a mistake. It is a habit. It is an habit. May Edochie said, Yo cheated in their marriage. It was a mistake. He gave woman belle. It was a mistake. The woman born first one. It was a mistake. He born the second one. It was a mistake. He born the third one. It was a mistake. Both of them are living together, living their life. It is a mistake. So this mistake will continue if she accepts the mistake. Because it is an attitude, a character they are talking about here. There is nothing like mistake. Cheating in their marriage, he said it's a mistake. But the rest things, are they mistake? You have the first child, mistake. The second one, you say na still mistake. Me and Edochie say no, they explain anything. You don't get anything when you want to tell the world. On a man that is living the life he chooses. That is what he chooses. That is the kind of life you want to live. Me and Edochie said it's not a mistake. I tell Una, say this woman is very calculative. Una never believe me. Make Una carry Joko carry chill. Story never finish. Before I give Una the full details, make I welcome Una to my wonderful and amazing channel. This is Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my YouTube channel, Mero True Life Story. God bless you. And to all my wonderful and amazing subscribers, may God Almighty in heaven bless you all. Amen. They can't tell me Edochie say, but the man don't they beg. They told me Edochie say, but the man they beg. The man keep on begging you. Not be the one way they happen for camera. Behind camera, we all know that you they beg. If you have the chance of reconciling with you, it will be his happiest day. They say me Edochie laugh. Say reconciliation. Very easy to say than done. Me Edochie tell them. He say you is not looking for reconciliation. Neither is you willingly to come back to her. He said na condition. Now they make refuge bend. That same condition is what is pushing you to return back to her. She's not a mumu woman. She's not a mumu woman that a man can deceive by tears or by words. He said you open a too clear eye and decide to start another family. In the beginning, they thought all was well with them until the life scatter. Until everything can scatter. Then you now start remembering. Then you start to remember her. After the family, the so-called family, when it starts, don't scatter. After the so-called family, when he wanted to use to cancel her, that thing failed. Me Edochie say it failed. A lot of people might not know, but she knows very well that they go court together. He said the thing backfire him. Now that he has seen that road, when he won't go, there is no road there. He want to return back because he failed woefully. Me Edochie said, you is not begging because he's sorry for what he did. You is not begging because he regrets what he did. You is begging because his plans failed. What he wanted is not what he got. Both of them, I wish their movie blow, that they get 20 million, 10 million views, and they are making it big. This man will never look at her side. If she have decided to say, oh, I give up on this whole situation, let me just go and relax my head. I don't want stress. If to say, she said to say she give up on this situation. She did not fight for herself. She did not cater and stand for herself and her children. He said, do you think this man will even look aside? This man is coming because he saw that she is a strong woman. May Edochie said, you is like a baby, looking for somebody to carry him. That is what she did for 18 years. Story upon story in the marriage. She carried the marriage on her head, hoping, praying, and wishing that this man one day he go understand, say he's a father, he's a husband. But she never knew that no go work for you head. So May Edochie said, all this you begging and coming back, it's not because he regrets what he did. It's not because he's sorry, but because that road failed him. Juju Ekwe is who failed him. He's regretting his actions. If that place not favor him, that's why he's coming back. That's why he's begging. And May Edochie say her door is closed. Door where the door close, where they don't lock. If you knock from today, go reach tomorrow, they know they open that door. May Edochie say that is who she is. Then another one where May Edochie can't take shock us. May Edochie said, all this beggy where they beg, it is all a plan work. All a plan work. All this I'm sorry. It is because of the court case number 2. The court case. May Edochie said, the divorce is not even the problem in the courts. The problem is the money that you stole. The problem is the money that you stole. Look now the list, the children money when you need to pay. He said those money are not small money. They are not small. If you even get that kind of money for your account, if they collect it will start from square one. He says, so all those money where you use the year for court, he don't find out, say, gra no go help him. So he's trying to calm down and look for reconciliation with her, so that she would not say, oh, this money you forget about it. Because according to the father of you will tell May Edochie, say, May Edochie, this money is not a problem to you. This money, you don't move on. You don't even care about it again. Why not just tell them that they should let go and do the divorce, make everybody waka? May Edochie say, now he tell grandpapa, say, if person collect that kind of amount of money from you, will you let that person go scot-free? Or will you let that money go just like that? He say, papa no, he say, grandpapa no fit talk. He say, grandpapa can't keep quiet. He say, now he tell grandpapa, say, all the money go reach 1 kobo, you will return it back to her. It's her labor. It's her sweat. She have children. She cannot leave her children and let a stranger eat from her money. He said they will pay all. This is when she talked that word. Now you calm down. Trying to pretend as if you have torn a green leaf, a new fresh leaf. But May Edochie said, a tree knows all the leaves that she bear. He said he know you too well. He even know the father 3 well. He says, so all these things where they do, all this pretending as if you is regretting. May Edochie say she knows all. He said that money for court now you no want pay. That money. May Edochie say, how many times grandpapa don't call and the beggar? See, they not get the money, they not will see and pay. Make May Edochie Zupuani ke beg. Not that they are even saying we go pay the children, okay, leave the other one. No. These people are saying, they are saying, May Edochie should just let go. Millions of naira. When it be say, May Edochie know where the money go. The money was spent in hotels and the rest with Juju Ekwe's family. and you want her to let her hard work, money, go just like that. Me Edochie said they will pay her everything. If you like, may you come out or if you like, may you go do interview, say me Edochie is the best wife. Me Edochie said it's no longer important to her. She doesn't need it anymore. She doesn't need it. Wallahi. Marriage is over. Me and you not there again. Which one be my ex-wife was good, she was nice. You don't need to say it. It is over. If you want to talk of the woman that is living with you right now. She should have nothing to do in your life again. Our life is past. It is past and it's gone. So all this pretending to try to make court case, may they forget the money. Me Edochie say that is the headache. Me Edochie say that one not go work. She say her money, she go collect all. If you like, may the court case go reach 20 years. She dey here. If she no fit collect the money, her children will collect the money. The worst thing a man want to do is to try to play a woman that is very calculative. When I hear this word when me Edochie talk, I say this woman get brain. You see why people are thinking, no, he's coming back to beg. This woman already know the reason why this man is giving an interview saying, oh, my ex-wife, she's the mother of my children. I can't talk down on her. Oga Zubwani Kemi Edochie know you very well. She say a tree knows every leaf that rise from her branch. Hey! Me Edochie say know you. He know you and your papa very well. All these pretenders just for her to let go of court case. Me Edochie say una go pay her money. 1 naira no dey come out. One dash I never end though. Una don't hear the reason now. We make una automatically come they do like say me Edochie is that important in his life. Whereas not be that one. Now they final. Now court case money. Now you want make the cancel for her. 419. They call on him. 419. If I dey tell una say this man na ole buruku, ole nie, na no dey join me the singer. Even me Edochie can see from where she's sitting down. Now she wear the shoe. Now she know where the pain her. Me Edochie don't move on 30 times than what you expect. And the sweet part of it is that she knows these people well. She know their trick. She know everything they are coming up with. Hey! One dash shall never end, oh my people. Is she saying the truth? Or is it that you truly, really want his family back? Let me know what you think in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. God bless you.